Hi, I'm Amanda, and in this video, I'm going to be covering some of the best batch payment tools for small and medium-sized businesses. So a lot of different AP and bill pay solutions have batch pay as one of their features. So batch payments are really when you combine multiple payments into one. So you can make multiple payments at once, and it saves a lot of time compared to making each payment individually. So while a lot of these software solutions do have batch pay capabilities, kind of the specifics of how they work and exactly the features do kind of depend on the software. So it's not all exactly the same. So I'm going to be covering some of the top ones out there for small and medium-sized businesses. So the first one I'm going to be talking about is Melio. This is like an automated bill pay and invoicing solution for small and medium-sized businesses. It doesn't only cover the payable side, so you can use it for batch pay, but you can also use it for receivables as well, which can be really helpful because it's kind of an all-in-one solution there. So as far as batch payment works, this article kind of goes over how it works at Melio. So you can make multiple bills. You can pay multiple bills in Melio. It kind of goes through like the steps of how to do that. Go to the Bills tab, check the box next to each bill you want to pay, select Review and Pay. So it is pretty straightforward, the process there. The other thing I want to mention is that it does say, in addition to just like paying multiple bills at a time, you can combine multiple bills from the same vendor into one payment. So what you can do is if you have like up to 20 bills to the same vendor, you can combine all of those in one payment. So that is kind of nice because then you can streamline that instead of having to make separate payments all to the same vendor. So that's kind of an overview of how batch pay works with Melio. They don't really give you, aside from combining 20 to the same vendor, they don't really have like, they don't publicize like a hard cap on the amount of bills that you can include in a batch. But so that is just one thing to keep in mind. But for combining bills from one vendor, it is 20. That is the cap there. But so yeah, it is a pretty straightforward process. The thing to know about Melio is that you do need to have at least the core plan to gain access to batch payments. So they do have 4 different plans. The Go plan is their free plan, but you can't make batch payments with that plan. You need at least the core plan to do so. So just keep that in mind. And that is true for some of the other platforms also. So you do need to keep an eye on that. Some of the features may only be available if you have like a certain platform. So the thing too with Melio is you can use it to make batch payments both domestically and internationally. So if you have vendors you need to pay that are outside the US, you can do that as well. So it's not US only. Next, I want to show you Bill. So this was previously known as Bill.com. This is another common platform, kind of similar to Melio in that it covers both AR and AP. So it is pretty well-rounded. It is kind of more for kind of larger companies, like really small businesses may not like this because it is pretty expensive. And does have some tools that you may not use. As you can see, like for Bill, it's $49 per user per month, like just for the most basic package. And if you compare that to Melio, like their unlimited plan, you have unlimited users for $80 a month. So that is overall a lot better deal than this. So this is more for small businesses that are getting a little larger, I would say. So Bill does kind of go through how to combine bill payments and make mass payments, batch payments. So what you can do, so the way Bill does batch payments, you can schedule payment for a maximum of 200 bills in one batch. So you can pay up to 200 bills at once. They do mention here if you select more than 200 bills at a time, they will process the first 200 and then they will put the remaining bills into a separate batch. And then you can combine up to 35 payments into a single check or e-payment. So that is another thing to know there. And then there are just some more specifics in this article as well that you can read through if you would like. So that's kind of how bills batch payment works. So next I want to show you Wise. Wise has kind of a more international focus. It's used a lot for paying like international contractors. So that is kind of like the main purpose of Wise, though it's also used domestically. But it does have a strong global focus. So they do also support batch payments. I will get to that. They have this tool called batch transfer. So that's kind of what they call their batch pay tool. And you can create and send up to 1,000 payments in one go. So that is a pretty strong feature there. And it will pay out 50% of the payments within an hour. So it is pretty quick as well. And they do also have more specific details about batch transfer and how exactly that works. So it is great for like bulk payments and things like that. There are no like additional fees for batch payments beyond like their standard fees. So one common use case for batch transfer is payroll. So as I said, if you have like a lot of international contractors, this could be a good choice for paying a lot of bills at once in different countries and in different currencies. So that is kind of how it works with Wise. So the thing too about Wise is that they don't have like plans specifically like Melio and Bill do. So the fee is really depends on the payment, like which currencies you're converting between and like which payment method you're using, because as you can see they have a lot of different payment methods available. So it does kind of depend on that. There's not like a set plan. You don't have to pay like a monthly fee really. So next I want to show you Ramp. So this platform is really like AP only. You can't really use it for receivables. And it does have a strong focus on like expense management as well. So kind of has tools you can set up like different guardrails to kind of prevent unauthorized spending. You can kind of set rules based on like categories of transactions. You can prevent certain merchants and things like that. So it really is well known for expense management, but you can use it for just really pretty much any aspect of accounts payable, and batch payments are one of the features that Ramp supports. So it does discuss this here. So it does say payments are batched on a per vendor basis. You cannot batch a payment across multiple vendors. So I would keep that in mind. They do have this feature, auto batching. It will be like by default turned on for all vendors. And so it just automatically groups bills together if they're going to the same vendor. So you can enable that and it'll just automatically do that for you. So that is pretty helpful. They do let you include up to 500 bills in a single batch. And then there is a $1 million cap per batch across all payment methods, except for international wire. That does depend on the currency. So those are the kind of the limits you're looking at with Ramp's batch payment. The thing to note here is that batch pay is only available if you have their Plus plan. So they do have a free plan, but you don't get it with that. It's kind of similar to Melio. So you do need the Plus plan, which is $15 per month per user, to gain access to batch payments. So I would keep that in mind. And then lastly, I want to show you Payoneer. Payoneer is also a popular choice for making batch payments, especially to different countries. So it does have a very strong international focus, similar to Wise. So they do have an article here about sending bulk payments. They kind of refer to them as bulk payments instead of batch payments, but it's kind of the same thing. So you can make a batch payment of up to 1,000 transactions at one time. So that is quite a few payments there. So yeah, you can make up to 1,000 payments at once, set up recurring payments, all that kind of stuff. They kind of break down here just like the general workflow for making batch payments. So yeah, so the thing too with Payoneer is the pricing. There isn't like an additional fee for making batch payments, and there also isn't like a monthly fee either. Yeah, so Payoneer, what you will pay instead is just like the standard fees. So you will want to look through this because it does kind of depend on the method you're using, the currency, all that kind of stuff. So it is similar to Wise. It lets you kind of receive payments, make payments, but it does have a very strong international focus. So those are kind of the platforms that I wanted to highlight as being strong for making batch payments for small businesses. So they do all kind of have, well, they're similar because they all let you make batch payments, but they all have different capabilities. I would say like Wise and Payoneer are strong for like if you have a lot of international payments to make, like if you have a lot of international contractors at your business, those could be good choices. Ramp is good if you really need a lot of like expense management features and you want to use those tools. That could be a good choice. Bill is a little more expensive, so I would keep that in mind and kind of maybe use that if you're like growing more. It's maybe not the best for like really small businesses. I would say Melio is probably the most well-rounded choice for like small businesses as far as like pricing goes, and then they do support batch payments both domestically and internationally. So yeah, that's probably the top choice that I would have because it really does kind of covers AR and AP, and then it does get you set up with batch payments for fairly cheap because you can access that just at the $25 per month tier. So, but all of these are good for making batch payments, and it really depends on your needs. Like I said, international payments, you may want Wise or Payoneer. It really just depends what you need. But yeah, those are kind of the options I wanted to show you, and I hope this kind of helps you get an idea of what kinds of tools are out there for making batch payments. Thank you.